Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katarzyna and this is the flower we will create today. This is kind of experiment for me, as I usually create voiceover for my videos, and today I decide that maybe this is the perfect moment to just demonstrate the flowers and just speak. Problem is I have very noisy neighbors here, so you will probably hear the cars, neighbors, so apologies for this. And let's get started with this frosted wild rose. Before we even started, I want to mention that we have a giveaway. I have giveaway, and you have some awesome prizes, stamps, dies by Heartfelt Creation from Snowy Pine collection, of course in this beautiful box, and I already prepared video for you and I will link it here in the top right corner. You can watch the video in English and Polish language, and I will link both of videos in the top right corner. Okay, so let's get started with the flowers. So today to create this kind of flower I will use a small wild rose cling stamp set, coordinating matching dies, and also matching mold. It's look like this. And also in this wild rose collection you have also large wild rose, so it will be the same like kind of thing, stamp dies and mold, but in the large size. So you can recreate this project whatever size of the flowers you prefer. I just choose this small set for this project. And what else? I already prepared the pieces of Deluxe flower shaping paper. This is the Heartfelt Creation paper dedicated for flowers. And the first step is to stamp the image. And to do that I will use the vermilion. This is the archival, kind of dark red shade. This is the larger flower from the collection, from the set, and I will just stamp it on the Deluxe flower shaping paper. Okay, so archival ink is water resistant, and it's actually good because today we will create a watercolor effect. If you never ever create kind of watercolor effect, it's very easy. I want to encourage you to try. So there is many ways you can color the image which you already stamped with archivals. Today I will use the Prima water soluble pastels. I will show you the box, how the box look like, and don't be scared that I showing you some new products and you need to buy it. I just use what I have. You can use the pencils, you can use watercolor, you can use the inks, because also you can create watercolor effects with inks. For example, Memento, Distress inks would be perfect for this kind of thing. But of course application could be different, it depends on the medium you choose. So today I'm using this water soluble pastel by Prima, and this is the color called red, and I will just apply a little bit of this medium just above every single petal. Now I will use the aqua painter, or I don't know, but this kind of thing, water painter, aqua painter, aqua pen, yeah, it have a few names. So I'm starting from the center and I'm applying the water. So actually I try to apply the water on the full surface of my image, and then you know, I'm start to blend to the center of the flower. So this way I will have like more pigment on the edge and less in the center. Of course, if you prefer to do it your way, it's not problem for me. I just showing you the fun technique, and this way you can color the flowers super quickly. I know it look kind of weird, but you will not see these dark spots when you die cut the image. So this technique, this kind of coloring have their own you know, positive and negative sides, and one of the negative sides, I think only one, is that you need to dry this completely before you know, die cut it, because if you die cut it when it's wet, it will stick to your plates in your die cutting machine, so it will probably, you know, damage your beautiful stamped image. So I actually have, oh, maybe I show you how beautifully this image is coordinating with dies. So basically you have some spot here and you can just match it and run it through your die cutting machine when the image is dry completely. So I already prepare all the flowers from the small wild rose set. You have 5 sizes there, and we already colored this larger one. I will quickly demonstrate how to shape the flowers using this matching mold. So I will use maybe this second larger one. So I already color the flower in both sides, and I'm placing this stamped image up. You need to find the perfect spot for your size of the petal, and then I'm using the spritzer filled with water, and I will, oh, you don't see it, and I will spritz it with water. Okay, so then you can close it, and you already see there are 3 corners here, and one is cutted, and this corner match this corner. So yeah, it's perfect. And then you need to run it through your die cutting machine. You have list of machines which will match the molds on Heartfelt Creation page, and then you have the shape like this. So actually this is strictly from the mold. This is beautifully shaped, and already I leave it to dry completely, and I have bunch of other sizes. And for today's project I will create this 2-layer actually wild roses. So we will create a flower like this. Let me show you. So you have 2 layers, you have like frosted petals and the frosted center. This is super easy flower, and to create the flowers like this you will need the beautiful stamens. So this is the rose hip stamens. They are specially designed for wild rose, and they are actually very nice also for Christmas project as an accent. I have one card, I think, with these kind of elements as an accent in the Christmas. First thing you need to do is to frost the center, because I really want to have this center frosted to the bottom. As you can see, let me zoom in. Yeah, so to do that it's much easier if you frosted this center first. So to do that I will use the Hydra sponges, dry clear glue and the glitter. Okay, so I'm starting with dry clear glue and I just apply it on the flower center, just like that. And then you need to use your finger or the sponge. I have like quarter of the Hydra sponge. It's not looking super nice, but it's clean because I use it with gesso, that's why it's looked like this. And you need to just tap it to have like the glue on the surface, and then using your glitter pot you need to just put it completely inside the glitter, so you will have beautifully glittered flower center like that. And you need to take your piercer tool, you need to create the hole. So basically you need to take your foam, flower foam. I have my own from Deluxe Flower Shaping Kit, and you need to create the hole in the center, or almost in the center. As you can see, mine is not perfectly. And then I usually connect it using glue. You can use the hot glue. I using the regular glue. Just you can use dry clear or over type. I think I mess it up with this one, but anyway, it's okay. Okay, so it's look like this, and then I will just, you know, try to manipulate it a little bit just to have more dimensional look. So it's look like this. Okay, and then I will secure the end, so you know it will be secure well. So you need a hot glue anyway, or you can just secure it like this temporarily and then use the hot glue if you don't have hot glue prepared. And I'm using the glue in spray because, to be honest, I don't have patience with flowers like this. Is for me it takes too much time and too much glue to apply, and I prefer to, you know, use the glue in spray. Okay, and now I will take the piece of card and I will sprinkle it with glitter. I think I don't spray it everywhere I want it, so I will redone. Okay, I think it's much better right now. So okay, so it's look like this. I think I add too much glitter, but it's fine. You can always go back and, you know, using the brush just take off on the axis if you feel it's too much of the glitter. So this is how the first look of my frosted rose look like, and this is the one I already shaped, you know, with time because it was like demonstration, yeah. So yeah, this is my 2 frosted roses. Okay, so let me show you the final look. This is my frosted rose I create with you right now. It's not dry completely, so it will be more dimensional when it's dry. And in this one I use the frosted glitter, and in this one I use the clear glitter, so you can see the difference because the color is the same. I think this one is more lighter, but anyway, it's more like frosty. This one is glittered and sparkly. The center is created with the frosted powder, but the petals with the clear glitter. And this one is created center and the petals with the frosted glitter. So yeah, I love these flowers. They are super easy to make for your winter creations. We always think about the flowers for Christmas and winter season, but it should be poinsettia, but actually you can create every kind of flower if you add the frosted glitter or powder, and you create it as a frosted flower. It will look beautifully in every single winter card and composition. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you like the flower. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check my giveaway video. I will link it on the end of this video tutorial. And what else? I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.